How to make money online? It's a question many people are asking right now, as they seek out new income streams. But the smartest people know that making money online is a great way to release you from the 9 to 5 and give you the freedom to travel the world or live anywhere you like. And in today's video we are going to discuss this. For example, take Rita Ting Hopper, an immigrant from Hong Kong who was the first in her family to go to college. The former lawyer is the founder of Festi, a new consumer tech startup that helps people share and monetize their talents, from yoga and dance instructors hosting classes on Zoom while they are traveling to stay at home, moms offering backyard yoga classes, to celebrity chefs creating unique culinary experiences. According to Ting Hopper, the ideas are endless and some users have made over $30,000. We've learned that following your passion can lead to self-employment instead of unemployment. You will learn about many exciting new solutions to make money online. Whether you want to make money from home or want to find ways to travel the world, today's video is going to be very helpful for you. So without any delay, let's start the video. But before that, we would like you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Get paid for your daily habits. Friends, you will also be surprised to think that you can earn money even from your boring lifestyle. Yes, we have found an application for you which pays you for living your routine life. The Earn application enables people to earn passive income via their daily habits, such as playing games, listening to music, reading the news, shopping, or watching videos, just to name a few. You just use your phone as normal and can earn $2,000 per year or more in supplemental income. Earn app members can sign up for free and earn points by listening to music, playing games, enabling ads on their lock screen, and more. One mode point value near 10 cents. But once you start it and leave it, you can get very good income, and that too without doing anything. Points can be exchanged for rewards such as PayPal cash, gift cards, or physical products. Number 2. Convert your passion into money, a tool to help support the creator economy and the gig economy. Festi is an easy, fast, and free way to earn money using Festi's payment platform. Creators can charge for online classes from anywhere at any time. For example, if you are a fitness instructor and realize you have an hour to work out at the end of the day or the next morning, you can post a pop-up workout in person or on Zoom and charge people to join you. 2 of the top users are Bolivian sisters Jazz and Gabriela, who post high-intensity dance fitness classes with Festi. You can turn any idea into a business by posting your offer in literally minutes. There is no need to create a website, figure out a payment system, or chase down Venmos to get paid. Number 3. Earn money from internet. Here's an interesting way to earn passive income. Honeygain, an application that allows you to make money online by sharing your internet connection. This is a very interesting way of earning money, and you might be wondering how to earn money from it. So let me tell you, install the application and make sure that it's running in the background. The application will do the work for you. The shared connection is used for various business cases, including ad verification, price comparison, and brand protection. According to Honeygain, the company takes privacy seriously and uses various encryption technologies to ensure that the data being transmitted through the platform is safe and protected. Users can increase their earnings by adding more devices and connecting them to different IP addresses, adding referrals, opening a lucky pot every day, and participating in social media contests. Number 4. Make your own music. Yes, friends, if you have even a little interest in music, or as I say, you can easily earn thousands of dollars per month by recording interesting songs sung in your daily routine. Check out Songfinch, which makes it possible for anyone to earn money by writing and producing music. Songfinch is backed by big industry names including The Weeknd, Quincy Jones, and Doja Cat. People can order a personalized one-of-a-kind song from a Songfinch artist, from birthday jingles to holiday tunes to anniversary odes. The songwriters work on their own timeline and retain the full rights to everything they create. Some Songfinch artists have been able to earn up to $80,000 in 1 year. So without any delay, check it out once. You are going to like it very much. Number 5. Take your designs to the next level. If you have a gift for design or illustration, you can make money online by using sites that will put your work on products and sell them for you on demand. For instance, with Cafe Press and Zazzle. You can upload your own graphic designs or text to wall art, t-shirts, stationery, mugs, totes, stickers, and more, and earn a percentage of the sales. I hope you liked these interesting topics and do subscribe to this channel to always watch such earning videos.